we need to take the spindle assembly off of the deck. Now we can't do that until we remove this pulley that the belt goes around, and this pulley is held in place by a bore bushing that sits on top of it. So there's 4 screws that hold it to the deck, and that's what you see here. I've already gotten one done. Those 4 screws pull up the spindle assembly from below, and that's what these 4 bolts are here. What we need to do now is remove this pulley, and we can't remove it until we get this bore bushing off. So what we're going to do is, there's 2 screws on top that hold the bore bushing to the pulley. We're going to remove those 2 screws, and there's 2 other screws on the other side, and we're going to start them in here. Let's see if I can do that. And then we're going to take an Allen wrench and turn this, and what that'll eventually do, I've already got one pulled off here, and what that will do is that will push down and then loosen this pulley itself, and now you're able to get to this bore bushing. To get this bore bushing off, you need to go and get a gear pulley, and that's what you're going to pull this off with. You have to pull it on this bore bushing. When this piece is up here like this, here, let me go back to this. When this piece is on here and you're just thinking that, oh, there's a key right here, I just need to pull this whole thing up, do not clamp to the outside of your pulley, because if you do, you're going to do what I did here, and I snapped it. It's just a thin wall right here, and I ended up snapping this, and now I need to order another one of these. So the best thing to do is to drop this pulley by taking these 2 screws, putting them in the opposite holes, and just torque them down, and that will push this down. Once you have the pulley down, then you're exposed with the bushing here. Take your gear puller, and there's a lot of meat underneath here that you can able to lift this up. So let me go ahead and do that for you real quick.